urgency, it restricts the flow of your desires. All things have an incubation period. In fact, a known and immutable law of the universe is the law of gestation. All things happen in their own time. Hence, the infamous term, patience is a virtue. Forcing something before its time is like pulling a plant up from the earth to enhance its growth through the appearance of increased height. Let it be. The work of the Tao cannot be interfered with. In the Tao, it is said that the Tao nourishes all things, but does not lord it over them. Keep the surprise and mystery to nature's accomplishments, and you will surely always enjoy your journey. And as we have also all heard, it is the journey, not the destination. There is a profound truth to this. Another beautiful yet profound truth within the Tao is that nature, it never hurries, yet it accomplishes everything. All things, including ourselves, are being done, and this process cannot be slowed or hurried. We are tied to the perfect flow of the universe, eternally moving in a forever spiral. Do not try to fight nature. It will always win. All we can do is go with the flow. Also, remember what John Lennon said. I'm just sitting here watching the wheels go round and round. Resistance is surely futile. Things of tension, they break easily. Things that are flexible, like a fresh leaf, or even water, can move through all circumstances effortlessly. Can you be like water? Remember, it is easy to be yourself. When you feel tense, it is because you are resisting the Tao. The flow energy cannot be stopped. So why fight? We are all energy. Can you return to your source? When things come to fruition naturally, there is no question or deciding. A tree does not think, maybe I will flush out today with leaves. It just does because it is in time with the Tao and the flow. You and that tree are no different. Again, remember, all things are one in the universe. Stop deciding and just be. Just being means trusting your impulses and natural desires. This is how nature works, as all things are in harmony with the Tao. Can you return to your source? Let go and flow downstream, and you will be carried to all the places you ever wanted to be. Go with the flow. Be one with the universe.